Want to share Instagram posts to threads but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to share Instagram posts to threads. So without any further ado, let's get started. Begin by opening Instagram app on your phone. Then go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now click on the post that you want to share. After that, tap on the share icon. Now search for the threads option. Then click on the post button. And that's how you can share Instagram posts to threads. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.